Hello. If you have a bunch of files, either PDFs, like single page PDFs, or pictures, like you took pictures on your phone, for example, and then you uploaded them to your computer, and if you want to merge them to one PDF file, there's a very useful website. It's called I Love PDF. Here it is, right here. I Love PDF. Here's in big font. ilovepdf.com. And here's how it works. So the two major ones that are the most useful for merging stuff right here. It says merge PDF, and then also if you have to convert to a PDF from a picture, like a photograph from your phone. Where is it? JPEG. There it is. JPEG to PDF. But even if it's not JPEG format, if it's like PNG format, it should still work. So let's do the photographs first. So let me just put both windows side by side. So just click hold on, JPEG to PDF right here. Click it, and then it says select JPEG images. And so just come over here, select your photographs, or in this case they're PNGs, they're just pictures, and select them and just drag them over, and then there you go. And then you can rearrange them if you want to. You can rotate them if you want. You can select your paper size right there, and then once you're ready, and then click merge all images to one PDF file right there, and then you click convert to PDF, and then there it is. It just converted them to one PDF, and then click download PDF right here, and then just save it to wherever. Usually your downloads folder is usually the most common. And then down here, it just got downloaded. And here it is. It's now one PDF file. So it's easy to send to other people. Easy. It can be read on pretty much any browser if you have it in PDF form. So that's if you have pictures and you want to convert to PDF. Now, if you already have some PDFs, like here, I've got 3 PDFs. By the way, PDF it's just a format that is used for documents. It makes it easy to read documents on websites and send and receive and so forth. So now back to the homepage of I Love PDF. Okay, so if you have a bunch of PDFs and you want to put them all together, just on the homepage I Love PDF, click merge PDF, and same thing, just select PDF files. Well, by the way, you can click PDF files and then select them from wherever you saved them, but I think it's usually easiest just to have 2 windows and then just select and drag them over. Drop it like it's hot, it says. Okay, and once again, you can rearrange. If you like, you can rotate and so forth, and then click merge PDF, and then download, and then download it to wherever you want, and then you can open it up, and all the pages, all the PDFs are all put together in one file. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, that's it.